Hey guys, so it's me, William here. I just want to let you know this video is actually coming out a month and a half late. This video was supposed to come out not long after I reached 375 subscribers, but I've been really busy, so I'm so sorry about that. So here's the video anyways. It's me and my buddy Brian doing the Gross Smoothie Challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Baking and Buttercream, and on this episode of Behind the Buttercream, me and Brian here are celebrating reaching 375 subscribers. Woohoo! To do this, we're celebrating by doing the Gross Smoothie Challenge, because I promised it to you guys. Kinda regretting that now. Anyways, let's go on to the video with the Gross Smoothies. Woohoo! Yay! So this version of the smoothie challenge star there, couldn't speak for a moment, is a little different. So right here you can see the bags. We have 8 bags of mystery, and in each bag is a piece of paper with a food product written on it. We have 8 bags. 4 of the food products are good, 4 of them are gross. Yeah, me and Brian are pretty disappointed about the gross ones. The food option choices that we could receive are 1 apple.
And an onion.
Then we also got some caramel sauce.
Hot sauce.
We also have a homemade brownie.
Mustard.
The final good thing is some peanut butter.
Sardines!
Yeah, so we don't know which food item is in which bag, so that's what's gonna make this interesting. Each round, me and Brian will rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins the round chooses the bag that they want first, and then at the end, we'll have to combine all of our delicious or gross, most likely gross, ingredients into a smoothie. And so, yeah, are you ready?
No, but let's do this.
We'll never be ready.
No.
Okay, so I go first. I choose bag number 8. All right, Brian, which bag do you choose?
3.
3.
3 is a good number. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go with number 5.
Okay. I choose number 4.
Yay. I'm gonna keep the roll going. Gonna go with number 7.
All right. I will choose number 1.
Oh, fine. What?
Why do I keep doing scissors?
Why do I keep doing rock?
I don't know.
I won. Doesn't
6
matter.
6 or 2?
I'm gonna go with 2.
All right, that leaves me with 6. So I got 8, 6, 4, and 1.
And I have 2, 3, 5, and 7.
All right, let's see what's inside of our bags. Hopefully I got the good items. Hopefully he got the bad items.
I hope he got the onions though. I hate onions.
I don't want the sardines. He doesn't want the onions. I'm probably gonna get the sardines. He's probably gonna get the onions. That's how it works. These things always work.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see what's in our bags. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can barely see me because I'm short and these bags are kind of tall. So let's go ahead and see what's in our bags. Brian, let's go ahead and open up one of yours.
Okay, start with number 2.
Yeah, sure, why not?
And we got hot sauce. Yay.
I'm so glad I didn't get that.
Okay.
Even though, I mean, it's good, but not in a milk or smoothie.
No,
All right,
not at all.
I'll start with number 6. Peanut butter. Yes, this is a good. Peanut butter can mask a lot of flavors. All right, open up another one.
Number 3. Oh. Sardines.
Oh, you got the sardines. You were okay with getting the sardines,
that's fine.
right?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm just glad I didn't get the sardines.
Sardines are fine.
All right, I'll open up bag number 8, the small baby bag. Ooh,
Oh.
Chopped onions and peanut butter.
Oh.
Delicious. Oh my goodness, you could smell the onions.
Oh.
He's got 2 bad things.
2 for
I
row.
got 1 bad thing, which means there's only 1 bad thing left. So.
Oh boy.
Which will be the mustard, which isn't too bad.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and open up another one there, my friend.
Go with number 5. Oh. Okay, an apple.
Okay, apple a day keeps the smoothie delicious.
Not at all, but yeah.
All right,
sure.
number 1, caramel syrup. Yes. Okay. okay.
Ooh.
Caramel syrup. I think I can use this whole bottle. You know, just mask that delicious onion flavor and smell. Go ahead, open up your final bag.
Oh boy, if I don't have the mustard, that means you do.
That means you either have the brownie or the mustard.
I think that might be the mustard because that's a bigger bag.
Very possible.
Oh dang it! Nope.
Seriously?
I got the mustard.
Oh my goodness, Brian! You got 3 bad items and 1 good item, which is just an apple, which is pretty much just water. So that means that this is the delicious homemade brownie. Yeah. Oh, so the only bad thing I have is just onion. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go to our food processor / smoothie maker currently, and we're going to add some milk, because milk doesn't have that strong of a flavor, and we're going to add in our delicious ingredients into it, and then make ourselves a smoothie.
Oh boy.
Brian's really excited.
Yep, let's do this.
Here we go.
Woo! First, I added the milk, as any good smoothie maker would. Then, I added my chopped up apples. And then I squirted a little bit of that mustard on there. It was pretty interesting. It was pretty interesting to see mustard on apples. Next, I added my hot sauce, which is surprisingly hot. It finally. I added the sardines, which, as I was adding those sardines, I came to the realization that I am indeed doing this, and this is not a figment of my imagination, and I am going to drink the product of my failures at guessing.
We blended that up.
We did.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a nice color, honestly. Like, for a smoothie, it is not a pleasing color. It's sort of like a vanilla-y color, but it's super chunky. I'm guessing because of the sardines.
What's the initial smell like? Tell them the initial smell.
It smells like a weird, like, tuna and fish sandwich with like a lot of hot sauce.
How I made mine, of course, added the milk, because you always need a liquid whenever you're making a smoothie. Then I crumbled up my brownies, put that in there, added my ooey gooey caramel syrup into that, and then I added the peanut butter. And finally, I added pretty much 1 whole chopped small onion into the smoothie and blended that up, and it just looks like a chocolate milk.
A chocolate milkshake, like an
Oreos crumbled up in
with
it.
Oreos, and I'm really contrasting our smoothies. His is a lot better than mine, obviously.
All right, so the smoothies are done. You heard us through the process of making our smoothies. I have to admit, we may have gagged a little whenever we opened up Brian's, the food processor when we were making Brian's smoothie.
Just a tad.
Brian, I have to ask you, before we drink these, do you want to change seats with me? Because it would be easier if you had to rush to the
If I
trash can.
have to, I will knock the camera over.
Okay, let's change seats then. That way we don't have to worry about that. We will be back shortly. All right, so we changed seats. Now we're ready to try our delicious smoothies. All right, you ready, Brian?
Yep, let's do this.
Forgot to change your drinks.
Dang.
All right, you ready?
Nope.
Cheers. All right, 1, 2, 3. For you guys. I'm not quite sure if I'm gagging, but I think because it's the texture. You don't have to swallow.
I already did.
Oh.
I could barely drink any of that.
I could really only taste onions, and we couldn't smell any, but all I could taste was the onions. It didn't taste bad. I don't mind onions.
I hate the texture. Yeah, that too.
Yeah.
This is really chunky.
Oh my goodness, yeah, we can just move that out of your way if you want.
The flavor is pretty bad, but not as bad as I was expecting, I have to say that, but it's just really a disturbing flavor.
Listen, did the apples help at all?
No, they just...
Masking the flavor?
No, not at all. Because like...
Because they're mainly water.
Because they're mainly water, and they're like juicy, so when you bite into one, it doesn't really change the flavor at all. It just feels squishy, which just makes it even worse. Why do I taste onion?
Huh?
I taste onion. Oh, never mind.
I taste onion. Oh no, that's just sardine.
Yep.
Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Me and Brian certainly didn't, and I have to go make this up to him somehow. I'm sure he probably doesn't want to be my friend anymore. I'm a little worried about that. So guys, please subscribe to my channel to make this all worth it. Alright, and there's 2 videos right here. One's in front of Brian, one's in front of me. Brian, what video is in front of you?
The video recommended by YouTube.
And then I recommend this video right here, and in between here, somewhere, is the Bacon and Buttercream logo. So please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Leave some comments down below about future videos you want to see us do in the future. See you guys next time.